facilitate the Hill State leaders and Hill State movement volunteers of the party. We know that this coming year is the year that the state of Meghalaya will celebrate its 50 years statehood. But we cannot deny and we cannot ignore the contribution of those leaders fought bravely and dedicatedly for the attainment of Meghalaya statehood. And at the same time, the HSPDP party, we feel appropriate that we have also to facilitate all those state fighters, volunteers, hundreds of numbers. They have come forward at the time when the state, sub-state or autonomous state of Meghalaya declared by the Honorable Prime Minister of India in 1970. The HSPDP party, under the leadership of Hoping Stu Lengdor, they have raised against the creation of the autonomous state. Instead, they demand a full-fledged state of Meghalaya. That's why in 1970, at the time when the Prime Minister of India inaugurated the autonomous state, thousands and thousands of volunteers with black flag raised again the voice to the Honorable Prime Minister of India. Hundreds of members of the party, volunteers of the party, have been arrested. And we have clear records that some of the volunteers have been arrested and put in jail in Shillong. At that point of time, is only the headquarters of the Assam state, not a headquarters of Meghalaya. And hundreds of volunteers have been arrested and they have been jailed in Guwahati. Some of them a period of 3 months, a period of 6 months, so on and so forth. So as the party, we want to facilitate them, we want to salute them, we want that the state also needs to know that they are the real fighter for the attainment of Meghalaya statehood. So on the 10th November 2021, we will facilitate all those volunteers and leaders of the state movement. Thirdly, since we have close cooperation with the GNC, or we call previously we known as the Garo National Council. Now, this movement is well known to each and everybody as the Garo Land State Demand Committee. So, in the last few months, during the month of July, we had a meeting in between the HSPDP and the Garo Movement State Demand Committee. We have discussed to go ahead the movement for separate state, and today the party had decided that we will continue this movement by calling a joint meeting in between the HSPDP and the Garo State Demand Committee to further discuss the issue and also to move ahead this movement with a mutual understanding and close cooperation. So today we have decided to meet the Garo State Demand Committee. In the near future, we will call them and we will fix the date to hold the meeting.